It's working.
That takes all the fun out of it.
You need what, sweetie?
Yeah, I got one of those.
What kind of train?
Well, you can see that. Oh, I see. You can run across 40 miles. You can come around 40, 43. Any number of places you can cross over. Then you go around the loop the wrong way. The easiest way to think of it is a loop-to-loop layout, lots of crossovers in the middle, and then there's a whole lot of other connections.
Actually, it's a smoother curve going the other way. Oh, except for you.
Yeah, because of the hump.
You lost. It
Yes.
doesn't make...
I was...
didn't realize I was just about to overtake you.
Might be okay.
Well, the one...
I saw this in the sometimes it goes green, yellow, and green. So it's green after. No, I think you're lined up for something. Right, brother?
Not much.
Yeah.
I heard that it's fiberglass. On the shows that they have on television.
He hasn't been around too much for the last year. Right in front of your stomach. Oh. No? Yeah.
I don't think it looks good.
Oh, only to you. There's an implementation circuit board of some sort to make sound come out of a tight 5 and a tight 4. As you rev up, it revs up like the motor, it goes up and down.
Yes, there is. Don't clog it. Okay, I don't mind if you set up, but don't clog it. Then I can't pull it from the other way. This one blows smoke. Here, do we have a single switch generator?
I'll probably go in and demonstrate what's coming down.
Yeah, I think with Daniel. Daniel. Yes. Where'd you pull the napkin?
One of them in, and we ever go raise the tower?
I still have not found someone who knows how to set those jobs. When I find someone who knows how to set the jobs, I'm using the half-force motor with a pulley up on the shaft way up this speed, so it's not like it's wicked then. It's not set for the he's gone with the 6-lane motor, but it may not work. He was off the boat farm, he had not corresponded via that cord, via that capacitor. He hasn't done any I don't know how he is.
It's not over here, it's all right up.
But it works okay with the half.
Yeah, you see that? One is the secret passage.
What's the secret passage?
Pops out over there.
Unless you go in over there.
Like,
It's not going to come out of it. I'm thinking of
Daniel, come over here.
when I grow up. I only have to hear the
It also has that mode where you can, up and down.
Chuck.
And then they give you these things with how to go to a train museum. And the train museum is there, and they have this model of a train. It's not small wood. It's all that you can sit on. You can press the button and act like you're driving.
That was last year, guys. Yeah, that's right. I'm going to take work jobs from him and I need a clip. Robert's just climbing the top of the side. Hazard!
Paul should see that locomotive. They're sitting there smoking away.
Alright, smell it from up here. Jesus Christ.
B and how about 10, 8, and 1 on the top and the bottom? Okay, we have a route, we have an occupancy.
Okay. Thanks.
Talk to the
Any smoke hazard from?
I recognize that style car. I don't think it's real.
That looks like
You don't want to film this.
Engine coming! Get out of here! Yeah, over here at college.
Yeah, because there's a theater. Is that a theater behind it? Like behind it? Yeah, maybe.
'40s MIT students built a cityscape of industrial Boston, and for more than 20 years, people have been coming to see it. It's about to be torn down and rebuilt into a 90s version. People gathered at MIT today to take a look at the cityscape in its entirety for the last time. And that's going to do it for this half hour. We leave you with a look at this year's Easter egg hunt at Lawson Park in Scituate, Massachusetts. I'm Craig Treadway. More news just ahead on